Chiron Shout just got a whole lot louder. In version 1, we gave you an easy way to turn Twitter feeds into on-air graphics. We have now expanded the data sources to Twitter lists, Facebook accounts and Facebook pages, RSS feeds, and mass relevance streams. Here's a quick look at the power of Shout. Start a new list and give it a name. When you go to add new accounts, you will now see 6 data sources to choose from, and you can actually combine the different sources in each list. I have already started a few, but this is how easy it is to add another one. Click Add, select Twitter from the list, and give it a username. I'll type in Olympics so we can see what people are tweeting about the Olympics. You can also add some search terms if you wish. Logos can be added to the scene to show which data source is being displayed. Simply click and navigate to select a different logo. GPIs can also be set for load, play, and stop. To change the look of the text, simply adjust the color, font, and size in the appearance preferences. And finally, we have added support for different languages. Pick a new language, and when Shout is launched again, the menus will be in that language. You can adjust how many seconds before downloading new posts, or how many statuses you want to show in the Facebook accounts. If you want your data to go straight to air without previewing, click on the Direct to Air. You may want to use this if you were using mass relevance or your own website for RSS feeds. The filtering would already be done, so the feed could go directly to the output part of the user interface. On the Input wizard, you can now select which data source you want to load the messages from. Click as many as you want. On the Output wizard, you can select whether you want to view these in a crawl or a page. Then add some more columns such as the image to view the avatar and the logo to show the Twitter, Facebook, or RSS logo. If you hover your cursor over the blue question mark, you can see all the other columns you can add. The names here must match up with the graphic and text template names in Channelbox or the Lyric template. On the Playback wizard, you select whether you are controlling a Channelbox or a Lyric device. Give it the IP address if controlling the device over a network, the scene name, and the path where the message is located. Click Connect, and you are now ready to start displaying the data on the output. Another great added benefit is the Preview Before Take option. When this is checked and the Advanced Pages manually is selected, the page will appear in Lyric with the content updated. Pressing the space bar will advance the page to the output and update the next one in Preview. For customers who have a mass relevance account, you create your stream of tweets with the filters you want. Then you can easily add those streams to Shout and have Shout play them to air. Shout provides a simple way of turning your mass relevance data streams into on-air graphics. This data stream example is using a full-frame scene in Lyric, but setting it to a lower third display is easy to do by selecting a different template in the playout preferences. Or control the lower third scene of your Channelbox and the full page from Lyric, both from the same user interface. So let your viewers tell their stories on your channel. It is a great way to build bigger audiences. Chiron Shout just got a whole lot louder with version 2 now available. It is the tool that turns tweets, Facebook, RSS feeds, and your mass relevance streams into on-air graphics in the fastest and easiest way possible. Please contact your Chiron sales representative to get your copy of Chiron Shout, and in minutes you will have your audience on the air. Shout comes with templates already made for your Lyric or Channelbox device.